This is the lead-based paint disclosure form that is attached to the sales contract. Thanks for watching.
This is Dan Max at eXp Realty, aka the trading agent, and this is the lead-based paint disclosure for the sale of the property. Again, if we are under contract, this form will need to be signed by everybody involved in the contract, agents and buyer and the seller. I want you to read through it real quickly. Again, it's all about protection of everybody involved in the process. Again, built prior to 1978, is notified that such property may present exposure to lead-based paint. Here are the causes and the reasons what the problem. Again, if you read the pamphlet, which is 19 pages by the EPA, you'll know all the issues that are and why the severity of lead-based paint. Again, keep in mind, each violation can get very expensive if you violate these terms and you do not disclose when you do know and you misrepresent. So let's just get right into it real quick. Seller acknowledges the seller has been informed of the seller's obligation, and they must retain a copy of this for 3 years. Either you have no knowledge, or if you do have knowledge, you explain it. And again, has no reports, or you do have reports. If you have reports, need to disclose them, list the documents below. The buyer can acknowledge it. You can read this, what the buyer has to do. But again, keep in mind, like from the previous video, once we go under contract, typically 3 days, we will give them the lead-based paint disclosure from the seller, and then they'll have 10 days to come back. But just be aware, if the house is built after 1978, this isn't an issue. And if it is before, be aware that you probably dealt with this at some point before when you bought the house. So again, here at the bottom, we both sign. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. Let me know. And if you, and I guess we will talk to you soon. Next